Hey, my friends. My name is Dr. Rudberg Omri from Israel, and I would like to invite you to the next upcoming Augma International Symposium in Portugal this upcoming September. I'm going to speak there about several uses of bone cement in the dental clinic, from giving a site a second chance after implantitis through immediate loading in the molar region, and even on severe atrophic cases, including zygomatic implants, etc. The important thing is that we're going to meet there a group of beautiful lecturers from 9 countries around the world, and they're going to give us their experience and their long-term follow-up of their cases. So meet us at beautiful and sunny Portugal this upcoming September. See you there.